Literally, look at all of this stuff. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it has been a long time since I did any kind of mukbang or just taking you guys to a fun place in Korea. So last year I took you to a 피시방 all by myself and we ate some really good food and we played games, and I think today I'm gonna do the same with you. This time my boyfriend is gonna come along with me. He is someone who back in middle school he would always come here, so I'm sure it'll bring back old memories for him. But yeah, our plan is just to chill. We're gonna eat. We didn't eat all day today, and play some games. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you come to Korea, you're not gonna have any problem finding a 피시방 because they are everywhere. If you're in a big city, they are everywhere. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get started. Yeah, 2 hours. Ooh, it's so quiet. We decided to come in the middle of the day so that there would be no kids. Yeah, this is good. We found our seat, guys. Look how many different seats there are. It's been a long time since we went to 피시방, right?
Oh yeah, right.
Okay guys, I have a secret. So we actually came to a 피시방 3 days ago to film this video, but we came at the worst time. We came on a Saturday night at 10 p.m. So it was just filled with middle schoolers, and they were all screaming profanities, and it was just we filmed the video, but then when I reviewed the footage I was like, nah, this is not gonna happen. So we came back and I'm really excited. Okay, so here is our setup. As you can see, each computer has these little private dividers. Some 피시방s kind of have couple chairs, so that there's none of these, but we just came to a normal one. And then here is the setup. Woohoo! So when you come, you will get a little slip of paper, and this is the code right here that you can enter when you figure out which computer you want to sit at.
저희 피시방은 코로나 예방을 위해 정기 소독을 진행하고 있습니다. 고객님들의 안전을 위해
9955 enter. A lot of people like to come here and they just chow down, and that's basically what we're going to be doing today. We're going to play some games, but we're actually going to eat a lot. So when you are on the computer, there's literally a button right here you can click. Wow, so many things. They have sets that you can get that comes with a drink and the main dish and a side, or you can just do everything a la carte. Wow. Yeah. So duck is my favorite thing. Get one. Yummy. What should I get? Okay guys, let's look at the menu over here. Literally, look at all of this stuff. And one of my favorite things is once you order it, it all comes usually really quickly. Kimchi ramen. Oh wow, many things. You can order just a singular egg here. You can order just an egg. You can order just 2 things of bacon, cheese, just a piece of cheese. So on here, you can say any requests you have. You're saying no mayonnaise, please. Okay, and then. Yep. Ta-da! Okay, now it's time to have fun. Oh, another thing I really like about 피시방s are the chairs. They have those really comfortable gamer chairs, and each little spot comes with headphones.
The chair is very comfortable.
Right.
Organic.
wanna get one?
No.
You should. Oh. Look, I look like a gamer even though I don't know how to play. What's your favorite game? Battlegrounds?
My favorite game is game playing with you.
Any game?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. We can play the drawing game later. Oh, I like this PC bomb better.
Better is better?
Yeah. I like the computer is bigger. Alright, it is no secret. I literally don't know how to play actual video games. I don't know how to play Call of Duty or Battleground or all of those popular games, but what I do know how to play are the OG classic Disney games. Who remembers this game? Pizza Party Pickup. I know you guys remember this. Here we go. It's Pizza Party Pickup.
There's banana.
This is a game, I used to play this game before school, before I would go to the bus stop. I would play this in the school library and I would
When you were a kid?
Yeah, I was like 8 years old. Even when I lived in England, I would play this game. So like, oh, I died. Before Corona, these places were open all night. So you could literally come here 24-hour if you wanted to. And I think it's kind of like problem in Korea sometimes, right?
What problem?
Like addiction to PC방.
Oh yeah, always. All people.
How about you? Were you addicted at some point in your life?
Yeah, always.
Really? How, like, what age?
Like middle school, high school. So I think we had the best gamer
in the world, right? Yeah, that's the reason. I mean, there's so many PC bongs like on every corner. Even this area we're in, there's like 10 different PC bongs. Here come the headphones. So this is tteokbokki, which is just like how it sounds. It's ramen and tteokbokki mixed together, and this is jappagetti tteokbokki. So it's the jappagetti sauce. It smells so good. Next we have my favorite snack in the whole world. This is sotok, which is sausage and duck on a stick, and then it has this delicious like sweet chili sauce kind of. And then next we have the frickin' cheese sticks, which look really yummy. Look at these. This is the octopus bokkeumbap. What is this?
octopus.
Yeah, octopus bokkeumbap. Oh, wow. We're busy. We got like 3 of these colas because we ordered a bunch of set meals. So I'm gonna order or open up. So yummy. Alright, let's try this one first. So yummy. You know what? I was actually craving this for dinner last night, but I didn't eat it because I was hoping we were gonna eat it today. He's not listening to me. He's busy playing his game.
양을 좀 많이 이쪽으로 될까요? 양을
So yummy. Okay, next we're gonna try the cream cheese balls, and I think they also included tater tots in here, which I think is service, which is really nice. I'm really excited about these because I've never had cream cheese balls. I'm just like a huge cream cheese fanatic, so. Oh, so yummy. You guys, these are so yummy.
아주 콜라. Go ahead.
We've been trying to make like the ASMR mukbang sounds, but it's so hard. Okay, so 볶음밥 is basically just, can you explain 볶음밥?
밥이랑 낙지랑 볶아. 그 다음에 계란을 얹으면 끝.
Look at that. Oh, it's yummy. Wow, that's really good. What I like about 볶음밥 is if you want to make it, at home, it's super easy. This is good, but yours is better. Good. Not a lot.
Hey, when you eat 볶음밥, you put the.
I wanted to let you do it.
Oh really?
That's so I didn't do it.
Really?
Really? Yeah, because I know you like to do it.
This, then shake it.
Okay, yeah, that
Mix
looks
it.
even better. Oh my gosh, these cream cheese balls. Alright, I saved the best dish for last. If you're like craving a midnight snack, this is also something I always crave in the middle of the night. And also if you're at a PC방, it's nice because you can just hold it like this. You eat it while you play the game. Okay. Kim Possible? Yeah. There we go. Pretty good. It's not bad.
It's not bad. What is it? It's not bad. I mean, it's bad.
I just said it to see if you understood what I meant, but no, it's really good, right? We're gonna try this one. Kupkopam. This has the little like cubes in the bottom. I forget if they have a drink like this in America. I don't think they do.
You should drink the jelly inside. Before you drink, you shake it.
Oh, thank you.
When the jelly come up.
You got it? Okay. Thank you. Next game, I know you guys also played this. I know you guys spent hours after school playing this game.
Follow me. Yeah.
I can't follow you.
You can, if you press shift, you can run. Yeah.
Oh. Here. I died. Alright, so we just ended up watching YouTube videos for like an hour. I actually really enjoy watching YouTube videos, just kind of like window shopping for YouTube videos, if that makes sense. Like not watching full videos, just skimming. It's fun in PC bongs because I have a big old screen compared to my small laptop. But we are going to head out. We had a nice little, I guess we were here for like an hour and a half. It wasn't a super long time. We chowed down, we played some games. I felt like I was able to give you guys a pretty good PC bong experience. If you want to see more videos like this, or if there's a specific place that you want us to visit, definitely let me know. We've been thinking about doing some convenience store challenges, or if there's a specific place in Busan or Korea that you want us to visit, let us know. He is also starting kind of like beachy, like walking videos throughout Korea maybe. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave the name of the channel here and you can see kind of like more of Korea that way. It's like more relaxing, right?
Relaxing.
It's relaxing, right? Yeah, very calming videos compared to this, which is like, you know? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you so much and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!